Hello and thank you for tuning into Zippo Lion's Den. This video I would like to show you an older Marlboro lighter from the year 2000. I was fortunate enough to get this one for a good price off of Facebook Marketplace actually. I don't recall what it's called, which I'll have to figure that out later because I really want to do the video on it now. Came with the original box, the original paperwork. It is a nice heavier lighter due to these little panels that they have on there. But it was in April of 2000, XVI being the year 2000. It was never used. So it's still in really good shape. It is a May of 2000 insert. And like I mentioned earlier, I know this is a Marlboro Zippo. I just can't remember what it's called at the moment. It's a really nice design. I thought it was really cool. I think I only paid $20 for it off of Facebook Marketplace, and that was with shipping. And to have the original box with it was really cool. With the original paperwork from back then, which is a little bit different than what it is now, as you can see. The warranty and the instructions. But that was really cool to have that with it. Like I said, the plates add quite a bit of weight. It's actually heavier than an armor. Should weigh it sometime and see what the difference would be. But it's a nice little design. Mountains, night sky with a quarter moon. And I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.